guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Betty. You all guys all know that, I'm sure. Or welcome if you're new, and if you're new here, my name's Betty. I am going to show you, this is a new digital that is in my shop. I just created it today, just got done creating it, putting it together, and I wanted to come along and show you guys, number one, I wanted to show you the digital, and I want to show you how to put it together. So I guess I'm going to call it maybe a vintage Christmas folio. I'm not real sure. It'll be listed in the description box below, and y'all will already know the name of it by the time you see the video. So it's just, I've got the floral design on the outside, and I've made some pockets. I have a dark floral design on the inside, and then I've got some damask pockets, and then it's got all sorts of little pieces of ephemera and labels in it. And you can close it. You could do like a Velcro closure. You don't even have to do a closure. You can do some twine around it, anything like that. It's pretty low profile, so you could even include it like as Happy Mail. Super cute. So let me show you the kit. So I printed this. The kit is 6 pages or 7. 1, 2. I guess it's 6 pages. I've got 5 pages here because I printed this one double-sided. So this is the actual folio here, and it comes with a piece of coffee dyed, or coffee dyed paper that I just printed that double-sided. I did print this on cardstock. So there's the folio, and then you can choose whichever one you want to put on the outside and whichever one you want to put on the inside, or you can print, like if you wanted it to match, to be both of these on the inside or both of these on the, you can print it twice, so you have different options there. So this is the mat for the folio for the inside and outside. I've got some pockets here. I've got a couple of little tags, some little labels, and I've got them in different designs. I've got some that don't have anything, some that have like in gold that says Merry Christmas, Gingerbread Bakery, the Polar Express, just some different stuff like that. And then these are some long pockets. I put mine on the outside, but you can do them. You could even print these twice, and you can put them on the outside and the inside. There's just so many different things that you can do with it. These are like little journal cards, but you could also use these for pockets if you wanted to, pockets or tucks, and then some more labels. So that is the kit, and I will leave a link in the description box below on how to get that kit. And then I went ahead, guys, see, I'm so good. I went ahead and cut one out, and I inked it up, and I just used, what did I use? Candied apple to ink around it. And so let's just go ahead and get this put together. So this is the inside because I've done it a little bit lighter than the outside. So on this one I have the white on the outside. So on this one let's do the black. And so as you can see, it's got the different pieces here, and it just fits right down on it just like that. And I am just going to use my Barely Art glue to put this down. You can use whatever glue you want to use, whatever works best for you. I'm just using this, number one, because it's right here at me. And I'm just going to, and I always use way more glue than what I really need, but y'all know how I am. And I'm just trying to line it up. Just make sure you stay off of your score lines whenever you do it. So there's that. And then this one, I want to make sure that I've got it going the correct way. So I'm using this one as my guide because I know this one can only go one direction. So that is what I do first. I have the hardest time knowing which direction like florals and stuff goes a lot of times. And so I just want to glue that. And I want to just do the same thing. I just want to kind of center it in that middle box there. And then now this one, I think it goes that direction. Let's go ahead and put it on. And you don't have to ink this if you don't want to, because it looks good without being inked. I just went ahead and inked it because I like the look of it. But it is not something that you have to do. And there's that one. How cute. It's already adorable. Let me put the pen in here while I'm trying to get the other stuff, because me and my glue, we don't get along too well most of the time. And so again, I'm going to start with this one because I know which direction it goes. Why does that feel like it's already trying to clog up on me? Great goodness, guys. I saw it and didn't have it out but just a second. Y'all know me. Y'all know me and my glue. So let's get this one going. So I hope everybody is getting ready for Thanksgiving. Some of my grandbabies are already up from South Florida, and I went out and spent a little bit of time with them. They're staying with my mother, and so I went and spent a little bit of time with them today, and it was so much fun. We actually, they always think that when Mama is around that they have to do crafting. So today we just done like some UV resin. We made some keychains and bookmarks, and I just let them go at it. They put all kinds of stuff in them, and I don't care what all they put in it. I don't care if they use all the stuff putting it in there. You know, I just want them to enjoy themselves, and they seem like they did. And tomorrow, when I get off, I'll be going back out, and I think I've made some Thanksgiving activity type books for them. And so I will let them put those together. And then Wednesday, we've got some Christmas wreath type things, like the foam wreaths with all the, you know, the pom-poms and that kind of stuff. So we're just going to have some fun. Okay, so I think I'm going to put these on there. So let's go ahead and put the big one on the outside here. I like how that looks. I like the contrast of that. So I'm just going to glue on the 3 sides. And guys, let me know if the volume is better. I had somebody comment that they had a hard time with the volume on my videos. And so on the last video, I tried to turn the volume up a little bit. So let me know in the comments below. Let me know how the volume is, if that is better. I bought a new microphone. Well, I bought the AirPods Pro to be able to do my videos with, and I never could get them to do right for my video recording. And so I just bought a new, wireless or Bluetooth lapel mic, and it seems to do pretty good, but you know, there's always room for improvement. I actually think I like it better with the dark on the outside and the light on the inside. I don't know. So I'm just going to put this one right here. And you don't even have to put these pockets in. You know, there's so much you can do, because the kit has got so many different elements. You could even print it a couple of times and make it, 4 or 5 different ways. So that's the fun part of it. That's one thing I enjoy doing the kits like this, to where you can do them several different ways, because it makes you get a little bit more bang for your buck, so to speak. You know, money's tight nowadays, so you want to try and get as much out of $1 as you possibly can. So that's what I try to do. But I mean, you could do, you know, several different things with this one kit. That you could make it where it looked different each time. And I mean, just like that, honestly, the folio is pretty much, it's done now. You know, it's just adding my little tags and stuff now. So let me put this down because that glue is, it's already, look, that needle's not even wanting to go in, guys. Y'all see, I didn't have it out, but just a second. Wow. I have no idea what's going on with that. I don't know. We may have to use a different glue to do the next label, but we'll see. So we've got this stuff here. And let's see. I have some book page somewhere. I'm wondering what it would look like with a little piece of book page behind it here. You know, just to kind of offset that. I think that's cute. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't even get my pen out now. Okay, we're going to have to use a different glue, I guess. Because I don't know what's going on with this. Well, now it's working good. Okay, we're going to go with it. Let me throw a little bit of ink. And as I say that, I'll leave the pen out of the glue. And then I wonder why my glue acts like it does. Because I don't do right. Alright, so this still had some of the ink on it, so I'm just going to put a little bit around. Let's see, and if I put that right there, and that can go there. I think that's cute. Okay, so let's do that. Yep, so what all of you guys have planned for Thanksgiving this year? Are y'all staying home? Are you traveling? Are you cooking? You know, family coming up? Or y'all, you know, what? Just fill me in. Give me all the details. I would love to know. Okay, so there's that. Now let me put this, let's see. I think this might be cute, tucked in there. Then we've got these in here. I really need, I think I would want a bigger tag there, but I think that'll be fine. I'm just going to tuck them in there for now. But I think I may put like a bigger tag there. This, I think we can put in here like this. You know what? Let's put that right there. Let's do the same thing maybe. Let's get some, yeah, let's do that. And I'm just going to ink that a little bit. Alright, let's put that down. So see, you can decorate each one differently. You can, you know, put the papers different. You know, you can do it so many different ways. And that's what I enjoy about it. Okay. There's that. Now, let's see, what else do we want to do? Do we want to... Now, we could make, you know, like one of these little circles. You could make these into closures. And I'm thinking we might actually make this a tuck right here. Let's see. Let me look at all the different little journal cards and see which one. Let's do that one as a little tuck right there. So So I'm just going to glue this on two sides. And I'm just going to put it right there like that. And you know what else I think I'm going to do? Let's see. I am going to make a little tuck up here. So do we want that one or this one? Let's go with that one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the bottom because I don't want to glue the bottom. And I am just going to glue this top part here. And I'm just going to glue that down like that. And so once that dries, it'll have a good grip. And then we can tuck a little journal card up underneath that. And do we want to put any of this on here or no? I mean, we've got quite a bit going on right now, but you know what? It's fun to add more stuff. Let's see what we can do on the other side here. I don't know that this really needs anything because that is just so cute like it is. Let's just make sure. Maybe something here. That's a, let's just see. I think that would look cute. So let's go ahead and put that little piece down. That green kind of offsets it. So we're going to just throw that down. Put that like that. And then let's grab this and ink this up. And just put it down like that right there. I like it, I like it, I like it. And then we could tuck a couple little things down in there. And let's see. So now you've got, this is dry, so this is a tuck. And then, because the way I glued this, you can even tuck a few little things right in there. Look at that. How cute. I like it. Guys, I mean, it was a short video, but, you know, there's no sense in prolonging it if it's done. I think it turned out so cute. So many different ways that you can use this. You know, you can print the kit several times and make it several different ways each time. Again, you could add a closure to this if you wanted to. I don't think it needs a closure, or this one don't. I don't know, it might. I might do like a Velcro strip, or maybe just wrap some twine around it or something, but that's really all there is to it. So like you know, you can see one with the lighter color on the outside and one with the darker color on the outside, but that's it. Just super easy, super simple to make. So yeah, I will leave a link to this in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think of it. And don't forget, let me know what you are doing for Thanksgiving. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.